Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is for Ttcf, ticker symbol TTCF. In this particular video, I'll talk about the chart pattern because the chart pattern is really looking juicy because it wants to break out. We know the share price was beaten a lot and it came down, but I think this is the time to get out of the downtrend and go higher and higher. I will also talk about the short interest, increase in the short interest, and how a short squeeze can do to the stock, because I will give you some real examples that I experienced today. And also I will talk about some call option if you want to make some quick money using investing less capital. So what should be your strike and what should be your expiration date. So first of all, if you do not know TTCF, then this is what you can see why veg out with us. So basically they produce plant-based food, right? So you can see they have a cauliflower crust cheese pizza, very tasty. They also have some sweet corn and everything. So basically it's an alternative of meat, and this type of food is gaining more popularity. There is Beyond Meat, this is another example. So TTCF is a growth stock and definitely it has a long way to go. Some people gave it a price target of $30-$35. Currently it is heavily beaten down, so definitely this is a good time to get in. By the way, if you find this video useful, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. In my channel I want to bring the video of stocks which are about to break out soon. So let's look at TTCF first. So we had a massive, not a massive, but a good day, 4.8% today, not bad. And currently we are around $18. If the price target is $30 to $35, there is more upside to go. Why I'm so bullish? Because you can see for some time we were around $27, then we were coming down and came down all the way. By the way, this is a 4-hour chart. So we came all the way, and at one point once we came around 15.6, we said enough is enough, let's go up. And this is a downward trend. This is what I'm showing you, the two black line. It is going down and maintaining the trend. Sometimes the stocks love to maintain the trend, right? So it bounced off, and still it is not totally confirmed because it has to break out. It has to break out from here, right? It has to break out from here. But why I'm making this video today, because if I draw a line here, you can see the support. You see the support here? So previously the share price came down and bounced from here. Now we are here. Could be this can be a resistance at the current price, but once we go above that, maybe we will push higher. But definitely the ultimate breakout would be once we break that trend and we go on the other side of this trend. Keep that in mind. Do not just blindly jump. Make sure we have broken the wedge, because you can see what happened previously. It went there and came down. Same thing can happen. So again, keep an eye. Do not just be excited and just jump in. But other than that, the share price is heavily beaten down. From 27 it came all the way around 15.7. you can see why it bounced off from this area. It was a support, so it came to the support and now it is bouncing back. So where it can go, definitely this is a resistance. I think there is another resistance around this area, which is $20, because you see 20 was a resistance, then it became support at one point, again a resistance, then it became a support. And once we break 20, how far we can go? Then the next one will be some place around 22.5, and the big one I would say around this area, $26-27 area. So anyway, my friend, do not be too much excited. It looks good, it wants to go out, but again, watch for the confirmation once we break the pattern. But seems like we are touching important resistance here. If we break and go outside, definitely this will be a good one. And why I'm bullish? Because it has an earning soon. A few other things I want to show you. Just look at the short float. This is from finviz.com. The short float is 30%. I do not want to add, just go away. Okay. So the short float is like 30%, right? So 30% is the short float, and if I go to shortsqueeze.com, the increase in short percent is 45%. You can see this is so important. For last 1 month, it has been heavily shorted. So there was 4.2 million shares shorted and it became 6.1 million. So the shorts have increased a lot. So I think at one point, maybe from 20, it was around 20 most probably, then it was heavily shorted. So you can see, or exactly, sorry, I shouldn't say 20, maybe it can be from this area, even 18.9. But the good thing is the short interest is so high and the short interest has increased 45%. So definitely when the share price will go high, there can be always a short squeeze. And why I'm talking about short squeeze, look at SKLZ. It came to $12, it was oversold, and one day it was up 13%, today 10%. A lot of money was made. I made previous videos on that. I talked about call option and I made a killing on that one. The other one I want to show you is MVIS. The same thing, the short interest was like over 20%, and you see today it was up 36%, and the day before here you can see it came from $10, it became $18 in 3 days. It came from 10 to 18. So again, any kind of short squeeze, short interest, these are important, like when the share price wants to go higher. And they have an earning on May 7th. So sometime shares wants to run before the earning, and if the earning is phenomenon, then definitely it goes even higher. So any kind of good catalyst or any kind of earning run up will push this higher, especially when the share is heavily shorted, right? So in many ways you can play. If you are long and you have a price target of $27-30, definitely 17 is a good price. If it comes below, grab more share, otherwise just wait for the confirmation and then buy the stock. And if you do not have a lot of money, you can always play with call option, because if you want to buy 100 share, it will cost $1700. But if you want to play with call option, let's see how much you have to pay, $200-300. So if you are playing with 21st of May expiry date, because the earning will be early May, in that case you will have 28 days to expire. The volatility is less, only 70%, which is really good, and the current price is 17 point something, right? So if you choose 15 strike, your break even will be 17.85, so premium plus strike. So by 21st of May, if the share price goes to 17.85, you are safe. Also delta is 81, meaning that $1 increase in share price, you will get $81. So if you buy at $285 premium, and if the share price goes $1 up, you will get $81 more. You can sell and you can secure your $81. So that is why I love to play with call option, but play with call option only when you are certain that the share price will go higher, or if you are not sure, take longer expiry date so that you can give the share price more time to go higher, so you do not lose the premium you paid for buying the call option. If you think May is not enough, you can go even like with July expiry date. In that case you have to pay a little more, but maybe in that case you choose 17.5 strike price, your premium will be $2. So basically your break even is 19.5. By July, if it goes to 19.5, then you are safe. 19.5, why not? You see 20.1 is our resistance, so definitely by July, it's a lot of time, we can go close to 20, right? So you will have 84 days. Give it more time, spend less money, just buy and forget, and with time it will just go and you will make money. So anyway, it's up to you how you want to make money, but if you are playing with call option, just do not buy right now. Wait for the confirmation once we break the downtrend, and then buy with call option. If you are playing with share, then definitely does not matter. If it comes down, you buy more shares. And but it's looking really good, at one point, right? And I'm so interested when I look at the increase in short interest and the short float. So anyway, my friends, the whole purpose of this particular video is to introduce you with this particular stock, right? And also the chart pattern, so that you know what's gonna happen, and if it happens, then how you can make some money. And I always love to bring call option, because I play with call option a lot to make quick profit. When the market is red, I do deep buying, and when the market is bull, I do call option. This is how I play. The profit I get from call option, I buy shares. This is how I'm playing. So anyway, my friend, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. I don't see like buttons. And subscribe to my channel.